Hence, the MFPQR design shall, as far as practicable, take into consideration the following. A minimum floor area commensurate with the expected number of users as determined by the government office or public-facing establishment. B.
Semicolon.
B. Adequate ventilation and lighting. Colon. C. Clean flooring suitable for praying, reflection, or meditation. Colon. D. Configurable areas with movable partitions for standing, kneeling, or sitting. E. Ablution area for cleansing and preparatory practices that is gender sensitive, accessible, and within close proximity to the MFPQR, provided that it is equipped with low faucets, bidet, or foot washing basins. And F. Signage using the quiet room symbol. In no case shall the MFPQR be established or designated in smoking areas or comfort rooms. I so move, Mr. President.
In objection. Hearing none, approved.
Senator
Sorry,
Lauren.
Sorry, Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
President. I do have an amendment, Mr.
Senator Pia,
President, to the
recognized.
amendment. Again, with the conformity of His Honor, it is true that this representation was the one who said that it would be ideal if those who would like to pray do not have to do it in a smoking area. So I'm happy that this has been included. But I take note that the wording here, the last sentence is, in no case shall the MFPQR be established or designated in smoking areas or comfort rooms. Siyempre, ayaw din naman natin na kailangan magdasal sila. Pwede naman magdasal kahit saan. Pero sana naman we can designate nga naman a separate area from the comfort room. I agree with that. I have no problem with that, Mr. President. However, during the period of interpellation, this representation had asked for clarification, as I do not know the Muslim practice, and I'm happy to be corrected, but I understand that ablution area is particular to the Muslim practice. And I asked His Honor, the sponsor, ito bang establishment of this area, because it includes washing facilities, does this have to be separate from the restroom? And His Honor said no. In fact, in practice, talagang basta yung restroom facilities have an area that is convenient to wash their feet, it is absolutely acceptable to be in the restroom. Is that correct? Did I understand that interpellation correctly?
Maraming salamat po sa pag-clarify, Madam Senator. Ang katunayan po niyan, mas nanaisin po namin na wala ito sa comfort room at separated. Pero case-to-case basis po, alam naman po natin na hindi po tayo ganun kayaman na bansa at hindi po natin pwedeng pilitin ng kahit na sino na magpagawa po sa amin ng wash area ang sarili. Pwede po ito. Nagiging pwede po na nandoon na rin po sa loob ng CR. Opo.
Okay, kasi yun po ang sinabi nyo ng interpellation na pwede. Kaya yun ho ang nililiwanag ko, at I accept His Honor's explanation now na ideally hindi doon, pero there will really be times where hindi naman makapag-provide ng separate outside of the comfort room. Therefore, if His Honor is accepting that as a reality, then we would like to amend that last line after the period, after comfort room period. Our proposal is to insert a colon, and then followed by, provided that the ablution area may be located in comfort rooms adjacent to or in close proximity with the MFPQR. We submit, Mr. President.
What does the sponsor say?
Napakaganda po. I accept po.
Thank you po. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po.
So after the word rooms, Sir Pia, nabanggit na raw sa letter E. Yung
Sa E?
ablution area for cleansing and preparatory practices, that is gender.
So, and within close.
Okay na rin yun.
Okay,
And within
but
close
yes, no, I
proximity
see
to
it.
the
I see
MF.
it.
Yeah.
The concern here is to amend the last sentence, which says, "In no case shall the MFPQR be established or designated in smoking areas or comfort room."
Area.
Yeah, baka mas okay. I think for style, it might be better to delete what is in the earlier in section E and then put that clause below.
Okay.
So subject to style, Mr. President,
Yes.
same impact, Mr. President.
What does the sponsor say?
Opo, accepted po.
Subject to style.
Thank
Opo.
you.
Yeah. Any objection? Hearing none, approved. Please continue.
Meron po tayong amendment galing po kay Senator Lauren Ligarda on incentive-based integration in the seal
Where's that? What page?
on incentive-based integration in the seal of good local governance,
Saan yun?
SGLG. Bunga po ito ng kanyang isang bagong section po ito. Bagong section po upang umayon ang ating panukala
Inserted before
sa
section six.
incentive-based
Okay.
na balangkas ng Seal of Good Local Governance kung saan ang pagtatatag ng MFPQR ay hindi sapilitan, kundi gumagalang sa autonomiya ng mga lokal na pamahalaan at kinikilala ang voluntaryong mga hakbang tungo sa inclusivity. On page 3, line 20, a new section 6
Section 3.
on incentive-based integration of establishment of multi-faith prayer and quiet rooms, MFPQR, in the seal of good local governance shall be added. The proposed provision will read as follows. Section 6. Incentive-based integration in the seal of good local governance, the Department of the Interior and Local Government, DILG, shall integrate the voluntary establishment and maintenance of a MFPQR by local government units, LGUs, as a non-obligatory criteria, indicator under the seal of good local governance, SGLG, or its successor assessment framework. Compliance with this indicator shall not be mandatory, and non-compliance shall neither disqualify nor demerit an LGU from obtaining or retaining the seal. However, LGUs that voluntarily establish and maintain MFPQRs in accordance with this Act and its implementing rules and regulations shall be awarded additional incentive points, merits, or other equivalent recognitions or scoring credits as may